welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see to look at this problem that has been causing many websites to it is a problem that has been there for some time now, for over 2 to 3 years if I'm not wrong. So this is the problem that has been causing some very many websites to experience this kind of thing. So as you look at this is not a real capture, as the one that is used to verify if you're a human or a robot. So if you click on it, you will look at it gives you all these instructions. So these instructions will help the malware get into your website, your browser, and steal your critical information. So the most important thing, don't do anything with all these instructions. All these instructions will be used to attack your system, your browser, or even your website. When you wake up one morning or evening, look at your website and you look at this thing. So the simplest thing that I did, I just had to log into my website backend. As you look at it, you go to your domain, then add WP admin. It asks you for the credentials. You enter your username and password, and you are able to come to this area. So there is a dashboard. So go straight. That okay for other people, you might find another solution for this kind of problem. But for me, the problem that I got was in my plugin section, all my plugins here. So there was one plugin that was causing the problem or has been affected or infected with the malware that is causing our website to look like this. So the first thing I did was deactivating my sorry deactivating my plugins one by one to check which one has an issue. And to my surprise, one of the plugins here, this plugin HSEO, was the one that was causing the problem. In your website, it might not be this one, it might be a different plugin that is causing the problem. But for me, with this kind of problem and scenario, the plugin that was causing an issue was this one, HSEO, and I don't even remember the last day or the day I was able to install this. Yes, we would want to have SEO plugins that will help our websites with analytics and all that to be able to rank among the top in your on Google. So I don't know. I don't think I don't remember, but this was the one that was causing. So I was able to deactivate it. So you just deactivate it, and boom, that's it has been deactivated. So when I go back to my website, then try and refresh, go home, and boom, my website is now back. We don't see the reCAPTCHA that was trying to um, cover all the screen at that point. So I have now known that the plugin that was causing was this one. You can also go into your cPanel, go to File Manager, locate your plugins, then you can just deactivate them there. So thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll be able to help you get what you want. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.